Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove shuffle play on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. There is the home section. Right here, you're going to find the search section. And here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of your playlists. You can also expand your library by clicking right here, as you can see guys. So right now, we're going to search for a song to play. So I'm going to go, for example, to a playlist I have. Then just hover your mouse over the song you want to play. And then once you do that right here, you're going to find this icon. Just go ahead and click on it. Then you're going to be able to play the song. So right now, once you play a song from a playlist, right here, as you can see guys in the bottom, you're going to find this icon. So basically guys, this means enable shuffle, as you can see guys right here. So if you click on it, as you can see guys, you're going to be able to enable the shuffle. And if you click on it again, it means that the shuffle is disabled. So this is the button for going back, and this is the button for going next. And of course, from here, you can pause or play. Right here, if you click on this icon once, you're going to be able to repeat the playlist once it's finished. And if you click on it again, you will repeat the song over and over. From here, you can toggle the now playing view. Right here, you can add the song to the queue, and you can lastly connect to a device. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.